Hey everyone, well, here's part 2 to having fun making jewelry, because while I was uploading the other video, I made another bracelet, and it's to match these earrings. But this one I strung, and I found this clasp, which is an eye kind of clasp, or hook and eye, and it's really pretty, how should I, secure. So I used, all I did is I put acorn caps on just the two in the middle, which are meant to go right here. I'm not going to take it apart and put it on because I have trouble doing it by myself. And it fits my wrist snugly, which is about 7 inches. And then I did use some more of the mix of 4mm crystal brass monkey bicones, which is just a grays and gold and brown and clear mix. And I alternated clear, like a mocha, a clear, a mocha, a clear. I thought I had some gold in here too, but anyway, a mocha, a clear, a mocha, a clear, a mocha, clear. You get the idea. Actually, that one looks more mocha and gold on some of them. So I alternated them. I just put the acorn caps on the two in the middle and across from the clasp, if you will. And I did put crimp covers on here at the end and wire guardians. I probably need to push that in just a tad. So yeah, I thought that came out really pretty and classy looking, if you will. And you could wear it for more than just fall, even though it has acorns, but it really does kind of go with the any of these three pair of acorns. But I only made one of the bracelets. And so yeah, that's part 2. I have another piece. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.